Hey everyone, welcome to my first YouTube video. Today, I have a treat for you guys. I'm going to eat the spicy ramen noodles, but this one is 2 times spicy. I'm feeling pretty confident about it, so let's go ahead and get right into it. And here's the sauce. It smells very strong, so I can imagine it tasting very, very spicy. It's not that bad at first. This is really hot. This is probably one of the stupidest things I've ever done in my life. It's good, but very spicy. Oh, I got my glass of milk. My mouth is still burning. My goal is to finish it, but I don't think it's possible. Now I'm debating if I should put this whole entire thing in my mouth just one time for the one time. You only live once, so. My lips are numb. That was a really bad idea. So, for those of you who are watching, I don't recommend doing this.